this video, we will explore blocks from the geometry module of Salome software, and these are the tools available. And to select these tools from the menu bar, select New Entity, and a drop-down menu bar will be opened. And click on Blocks, and you can see a sub-menu bar is open where you can select these tools from. And you can only select Quadrangle Face and Hexahedral Solid from the menu bar, and you cannot select these two tools from the toolbar. And this is the toolbar, and clicking on any of the icon will prompt you a dialog box where you can edit, and you can only select divided disc and cylinder. And here to create divided disc, I will select it from the toolbar. And to create a disc, we have two patterns, square and hexagon. And here I have selected the first algorithm. So I will change the orientation for the disc. So here I have selected OYZ, which means that the disc is located in the O, Y and Z location. And here I'll change to OZX, ZOX. Now I'll change the disc pattern to hexagon and click the apply and close button, and you can see a disc is created. You can also view in the object browser. So now I have selected algorithm 2, and to create a disc, in this case we need to select center point and vector and set a radius for that. So for the center point, I will select this vertex from the view, and for the vector, I will select OX from the object browser, and I'll change the radius to 150. And here you can see I have changed it to hexagon, and click the apply button to save the changes. Now I will select the second one, divided cylinder, and to create it we need to select a radius and height, and you can see that our divided cylinder is constructed along the origin, the trihedral. So here I'll set the radius to 130 and height to 150, and I'll change the pattern to hexagon and click this apply button. So this is how the divided cylinder is created. Now I will select the next tool, Quadrangle Face, from the menu bar, and we have three algorithms to create a quadrangle face. So here I have selected the first one, and in the first one we can create a quadrangle face by selecting vertices. So we need to select 4 vertices. So here I will select these 4 vertices to create a quadrangle face, and for the vertex one I will select this vertex from the view. Similarly, select this for the second and third, and for the fourth vertex I'll select this, and you can see it. A quadrangle face is automatically created after selecting the vertices. Now click this apply and close button to save the changes, and you can see this is the quadrangle face. So now I have selected the second algorithm here, and to create a quadrangle face, in this case we need to select 2 edges, And for the edge one, I will select this edge from the view, and for the edge 2 I will select this edge, and basing on the selected objects you can see that a quadrangle face is created. Now click the apply button to save the changes. And in the last algorithm we need to select 4 edges to create a quadrangle face. So here I will select these 4 edges. So you can see for the 4th edge, if I select this edge, we cannot create a quadrangle face. It should be a closed edge. So for that I'll select this edge, and you can see a quadrangle face is created here. Now click this apply and close button to save the changes. And now I'll select the second one, hexahedral solid, and to create it we have 2 algorithms, and in the first algorithm we need to select phase 1 and phase 2, and for the phase 1 I will select this phase, and for the phase 2 I'll select this, and you can see it automatically created a quadrangle solid, hexahedral solid by selecting the faces. Now click this apply and close button to save the changes. And we have the second algorithm, and we need to select 6 faces for this. So I will select these faces from the object browser and click apply and close button. And this is the end of this video, and thanks for watching.